did lots of them.
Ryan, you already knocked all the candles off. Let her put the last one back on. You grab your giraffe. Papa loves giraffes. Is that recording?
Yeah.
Papa does love giraffes. Do you two want to sing happy birthday and we'll blow out the candles for Papa? Okay, you two sing. I already sang once.
Happy birthday to you. Wait, we need the camera.
She has the camera. Sit over here so we can...
Birthday.
Have your giraffe. Come here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear.
Papa.
Happy birthday to you. Come on, Tula. Help blow out the candles for Papa.
Yeah, let's all blow out them. You help too, Mama.
What do you say? Here, ready?
Excuse me.
Let's blow out the candles. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Yay!
Now we can.
Okay, do you two have anything else you want to say to Papa? Last minute.
Yeah. I love you.
We love you, Papa.